Paribus, developing financial tools and products for NFTs. The demand for non-fungible tokens, NFTs, is increasing rapidly, and the mainstream media is focusing on them as their popularity soars. Lending is the main entry point for empowering holders of NFTs since it enables them to access liquidity and capital by simply locking up their assets as security. However, with the exception of highly specialized services, conventional markets do not often collateralize non-fungible assets. NFT borrowing and lending as a mainstream business is, however, a difficult concept in decentralized finance, DeFi. There are undoubtedly further possibilities, including derivative-style products in the over-the-counter, OTC, rental of an asset to another user for a specific amount of time, but as experts suggest, with liquidity situations, there will be more chances for lending and borrowing as users would effectively be given the chance to create yield while receiving benefits from liquidity providers. Thus, the ability to tokenize valuable assets, regardless of their physical characteristics, opens up new possibilities and also new difficulties. With improved liquidity and possibilities for utilizing this economic power without having to sell the NFT altogether. This is why Paribus, a leading multi-chain lending and borrowing platform built on Cardano, intends to address these issues and increase the economic worth of these tokens, allowing owners of NFTs to access liquidity by taking out loans secured by their NFT assets in order to finance other business endeavors like trading and investment. Paribus, unlocking liquidity. The ease with which an asset may be exchanged for another currency without having a significant impact on the asset's market price is known as liquidity, and although this is typically discussed in terms of converting securities, such as stocks and shares, into fiat money, it also applies to cryptocurrencies. 1. Valuation metrics. NFTs require price discovery, and this is certainly taking place as more enthusiasts and subject matter experts join the growing number of speculators in the market. The market will eventually decide an asset's worth, or the lending and borrowing power, which emphasizes the need of developing a market. Fair markets decide what something is worth. The realized value of NFTs may be greatly influenced by Paribus NFT loan markets, and cryptocurrency is a perfect breeding ground because it is awash with risk-loving speculators. On Paribus, the final decision on the loan's duration, interest rate, loan-to-value ratio, and exchange currency is made by the user. Even if the value of a rare item may be widely accepted, it is still important to understand what and how long someone is ready to lend against it. Hence, if there is sufficient demand for borrowing to sustain the market, interest can be generated by passively holding an asset.